Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Fashion Alchemist. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time and your location. You are most welcome to my YouTube channel. So, guys, if you are beginner on my YouTube channel, then make sure you subscribe. And if you have already subscribed, then don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest fashion trends, style inspiration, and outfit ideas. From timeless classics to bold new looks, we bring you everything you need to upgrade your wardrobe and step out with confidence. So guys, today we are talking about very stunning collection of leather midi skirts. Leather midi skirts are making a major comeback and they are here to stay as one of the most versatile fashion pieces of 2025 and 2026. From sleek pencil curves to flowy A-line designs, these skirts offer the perfect balance between elegance and edge. Whether you are styling them with a classic blouse for work, a cozy sweater for a chic street look, or a bold crop for a night out, the leather midi skirts adapt effortlessly to every occasion. Pair them with ankle boots for a trendy autumn vibe, sneaker for a casual day look, or strappy heels for a sophisticated evening style. And with shades ranging from timeless black and rich brown to bold reds and trendy metallics, there is a perfect option for every personality. A leather midi skirt is not just a piece of clothing, it's a statement of confidence, power, and timeless fashion. For a chic everyday look, pair your leather skirts with a tucked in blouse or a fitted with a turtleneck. Add ankle boots or sneaker and you will instantly have a polished yet comfortable outfit for coffee dates, shopping trips or casual hangout. If you want a more professional vibe, go for a sleek pencil cut leather midi skirts with a crisp white shirt and structured blazer. This combination not only looks powerful but also shows off your confident sense of style, perfect for meeting or formal events. When it's time for a night out or a party, the leather midi skirts really shines. Match it with a statement crop top off, shoulder blouse, or even a sparkly sequin piece. Add high heels, bold accessories, and a clutch bag, and you have got a look that turns your heads. Colors also play a huge role in making your outfit stand out. A classic black leather midi skirt is timeless and can be styled with almost everything. Brown and tan shades just give a warm earthy vibe perfect for autumn. For those who love to make a statement, red metallic or pastel leather skirts are daring options that shows off personality and trend forward style. The best part, leather midi skirts are seasonless. In winter, style them with oversized coats, chunky sweaters, and knee-high heel boots. In summer, go lighter with sleeveless tops and strappy sandals. No matter the season, this pieces works beautifully with just a few styling tweaks. And let's not forget about accessories, belts, handbag, jewelry, and even layered outwears can completely transform the look. A simple skirts can go from casual chic to high fashion glam in minutes just by changing the details. At the end of the day, a leather midi skirts is more than just clothing. It's a fashion statement that says bold, confident, and stylish. If you have buildings your wardrobe for 2025 and 2026, this is one trend you don't want to miss. So friends, if you're loving this, then please do like my video and also share my video with your friends, with your family members, with your relatives and social media also. These leather midi skirts is for office wear, for party wear, for casual wear, for daily work wear. If you are a going lady, then these options are perfect for you because these options are endless. If you have any doubt, then the comment section is available for you. You can comment freely at any time. You can also ask any question. Let us know in the comment section that how was the video, how was the design. Tell me all in the comment section. Give a feedback in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to share my video. Don't forget to tell me in the comment section. So goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon with new collection.